In this video, we will see together le futur proche, but more precisely le futur proche when it is used to express something that will happen in the near future. So le futur proche, it is used to express something that will happen in the near future. This is the main use of this form, le futur proche. And the interesting thing is that because of the use of the present in its construction, we're talking about the verb aller that must be conjugated in the present, it gives a certainty in this future concept. This is really interesting because in fact it is just something that will go in your mind or in my mind, but the fact that we are using the present makes it more sure. So it's not really a future per se, but it's something that is somehow connected to the present and that will happen for sure. So let's see some examples. Je vais venir ce soir te dire bonjour. Je vais venir ce soir te dire bonjour. So here it's the future proche. As you can see, we're using aller conjugated in the present form. Je vais. Then we put our verb in the infinitive, venir. Je vais venir ce soir te dire bonjour. And because we're using this futur proche, in my head, it is clear that it is certain. Elle va lui dire ce qu'elle pense. Elle va lui dire ce qu'elle pense. Same thing here, you've got the verb aller in the present form, third person of the singular. Elle va, then we have the infinitive, dire. Elle va lui dire ce qu'elle pense. Nous allons les inviter au restaurant. Nous allons les inviter au restaurant. Same thing here, the verb aller in the present form, first person of the plural. Nous allons inviter. And as I told you, if instead of allons inviter, we would put, well, the futur simple, nous inviterons, nous les inviterons au restaurant. It is the future, but it is the future with what comes with the future, meaning by that, it's not sure. In that situation, by using this futur proche structure, it makes it more certain, more sure in my mind. And that's the point. Je vais acheter une bouteille de champagne pour fêter ça. And I'm so happy because in that case, it's sure, at least in my head. Je vais acheter une bouteille de champagne pour fêter ça. Nous allons les inviter au restaurant. Je vais acheter une bouteille de champagne pour fêter ça. So remember that le futur proche will be to express something that will happen in the near future and when you really want to introduce this aspect of certainty.